Imagine a place where the air is fresh, the land is vast, and the community is tight-knit. Welcome to my dream rural community, where the heartbeat of our nation is strong and vibrant. But rural communities face unique challenges. That's why we're working together to bring about positive change. Through rural development and community engagement, we're building new roads and bridges to connect communities, creating opportunities for local businesses to thrive, supporting our farmers and ranchers to grow and prosper, and also preserving our natural resources for future generations. The impact is real. Communities are coming together, economies are growing, and lives are being transformed. We're not just building infrastructure, we're building hope and opportunity. So join us in our mission to empower rural communities. Let's work together to build a brighter future for all. Rural development and community engagement. It's not just a project, it's a movement. Join us in transforming rural communities. Don't forget to like, share. You can hit the subscribe button too. See you in the next video on agriculture practices and extension work.